गाडीतनं काही गोष्टी आणायच्या होत्या.
Sorry, Lisa, we had no idea this place was restricted.
What will be the next one? White? Can you tell me? This is going. Problem. So immediately this. Comes. Then check. If this comes over here, then you get this opportunity. If this comes over here, just look at every time the pressure is increasing. Every time the pressure is increasing. Now there is a discover attack. It can't go back. It can't go here. It can't go here. Plus this is under attack. This is under attack.
Third and check and met.
So many.
Third check and met.
This is
Sir, Q into A5.
next move is black. What black will play? Black max 2
Sir, Q into A5.
into A5.
Yeah,
So,
no,
king,
sir, king.
तू फेकलीस ना माझी इंग्लिश तिकडे
Why? No. Max 2 is this will play this. That's all. And he plays this. Okay. Over here. Anything can happen here. Going in this has to come over here. And this will just continue. Game will continue. See, this is inside. This is inside. This is inside. This is inside. Black is literally doing nothing. And white, this is out. 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 Everything is out. Doing everything.
Sir, which means white is fully developed.
Here I want one. Actually, I was wondering that what particular question had not come from you. That question I was.
Sir,
Yeah. If you have got any question.
sir, I'm not able to hear you, sir.
Okay. Are you able to hear now?
Somebody was singing.
Please do. Now, here the
Sir,
question
your voice is breaking.
expected. Here the question expected. Is it clear now? Yeah.
Yes, sir. Somebody was singing earlier.
Question expected was, is there any solution for this pride liver attack from black side? Because if everybody starts playing pride liver attack, then white will win. It is a 100% win. So there is a solution for this. And we are going to discuss this now only. Because this much line only I can show you, because there are many permutations and combinations. You need to know first 10 moves for any line. So I hope pride liver attack is almost complete with this, but we will see the solution of it. Then only it will be a complete. Let us see the solution. Now all of you know this position, familiar. Very familiar with this solution position. Okay. So now what we said, you have to, black has to save this pawn, and for saving there is only one alternative, is this, right? But why don't you consider, let it go, this pawn, let it go, there is a fork, let one piece go, and why not come over here?
ICICI बैंक से कोई 300 रुपए गया और सुपरवाइजर
The fourth move for black, which is using a perfect
आपने पिन का डाला उसमें
or black's pride liver attack. This is the perfect reply. I not
रुपीस डेबिटेड
अरे
everybody please note, fourth move, bishop c5 is the perfect solution over here. Now white will obviously, because since white has attacked this, white will go and attack this, right? Both are attacked. Fork. What will be black's reply?
Sir, तो क्वीन ला हरवेन.
Okay. I want it from everybody. Please think.
So knight g4.
Knight 4. Okay. Okay. This knight. Okay. Fine. That is not a bad, giving your queen. Fine.
bishop f2.
Bishop f2. Who said that?
Kanushka.
That is the reply. That is the reply. See, queen is under pressure. Rook is under pressure. But still, this is the reply. What happens next? If you are white, any white will think that, अरे मुझे तो ये भी मिल रहा है और ये भी मिल रहा है, दोनों मिल रहे हैं, फोर्क में है और मैं सपोर्ट में हूँ, अब ये मुझे फ्री मिल रहा है तो मैं यही खाऊंगा. Which is natural.
Sir, white doesn't have any option. White has to kill it because it will give a check. It does not have any option.
It does not have any option. I don't think so. It does have option. It does have option.
Sir.
It does have option of moving this or moving this. It does have option.
Sir,
Yeah. Yes.
Sir, व्हाईट क्वीन ने तर क्वीनला घेतलं ब्लॅकच्या, तर नाईट आहे ना सपोर्टला.
त्यामुळे generally we will go with the main line. This takes this. There are permutations and combinations, but this takes this. Because black has lost one pawn. Black has recovered one pawn. Now black has given one piece. Let us find out how black recovers that piece. So what will be next move? Can you tell? Common sense, check. Very much common sense. अभी सब उल्टा घूम गया. Where the white will go? White has option of going here, here 2, here 3, here 4, here 5, and here 6. Not here. Not possible. This is there. 6 options. Very naturally,
Sir, E3.
no, E3 won't come at all. It won't come at all.
Sir, F3.
F3. Oh. If it is F3, if you come to F3, then this will go over here, give check and forth. So this kills, then this also kills. Very bad.
Sir, G1.
G1 is obvious. G1 is obvious. See, if you remain in this line, there is a big trouble. I will tell you what. Big trouble. If you remain this or this, wherever, this will come. Or castling basically. Now this cannot be moved. Because of the pin. You understand? And now there is a 1 attack and 2 attack on this. Only one support. So simply black will attack with this rook. Rook takes knight. Bishop takes rook. King takes bishop. So 3 plus 3, 6 points against 5 points. Black will win 1 point. और इसका भी कैसलिंग गया तेल लगाने भी. All pieces inside. So white will not remain in this line. The only option is for white is either go over here G1 or go over here. Even here also it is bad. Here also it is bad because it is obstructing the opening of the queen. Now, what will be the move? Why don't you think of this also? Sorry, this here. Check again. So it is again very dangerous. Again very dangerous. और एक घोड़ा आ जाता है. ऊपर तो नहीं जाता है, तो नीचे भी नहीं जाता है. यहाँ भी this is also very dangerous. So what Ishan has suggested this is quite okay. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना touch like that means उतना तो ठीक है. But even after this, what will happen? You know, this will come over here, attacking this square. Now there is a chance of checkmate. Clear chance of checkmate. So what this will do? This has to come over here. Attacking this. That's all. Are you getting? And then this move which I have suggested is not an actual correct move. Correct move is even this. Now check and mate. Now this, even if it comes over here, there is a support. And this mate is there. Maybe. Or immediately castling.
Sir, yes, sir. There is a mate.
No, not like this. This will come back. This will
Sir,
come back.
if this comes back, then queen will come here, and then queen will force have to come here, and then queen attacks queen and checkmate.
No, better is this castling instead of this checkmate. अभी ये तो फंस गया ना.
Yes, sir.
So many things comes. This pride और अटैक करने को जाएगा तो ये अगर एक बार बिशप आ गया this bishop, then there is no fried liver attack. कुछ भी नहीं होगा. Now, if you take this, then this. अभी बोलो. Check. ये पीछे तो नहीं जाएगा, पीछे जाएगा तो भी तकलीफ है. ये चेक, ये इधर. अभी this. Why? Because
Pawn takes knight.
Yeah. Pawn takes knight. Check. See, there is no chance for white to go for this. ये ऊपर अगर आ गया, check. Or even not this check. Sorry, this check is much better. If it goes down, then this again, castling. Castling is there. Or this is there. No chance, absolutely no chance. If you allow black to come over here and take this pawn. Yes, any questions here?
Sir, what are those booklet things in the white and black section?
I am also guessing that. Because this program is very new. Generally, these are the moves which are played in tournament, and afterwards all variation comes. Till here, you won't find any problems. Correct moves, both side equal, and then the variation comes. Knight takes f7 is the variation. Some people don't do it. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Have you written this move? Particularly this move? This is the best defense. Now attacking this is just forget it. What white has to do is that wait for attack, and he does castling. He does castling. That's all. And then he also does the castling. हाँ तौफिक भाई. हाँ. एक मिनट ना. हाँ क्या चाहिए? Yeah, sorry. So, and this becomes a normal game. Everybody has developed, both have done castling. Now, white will play this naturally, and black will support, or black will just drive this away. Simply drive this away. क्योंकि enemy territory में आना मना है, वो पीछे जाएगा. That's all. And this is a normal 4 knights game. It is converting into a 4 knights game. Everybody is at advantage. Yes, Manisha.
Which position is actually called fried liver attack?
Fried liver attack starts from, I'll tell you. Fried liver attack starts when this comes over here. You take this, and this comes over here. This is the start of fried liver attack. If ये पोजीशन बोर्ड के ऊपर आ गई तो ही फ्राइड लिवर अटैक हो जाता है, otherwise no, because there is a chance. I will show you. After pawn takes pawn, this over here, and this is the correct bookish move. See, this is a book move. Correct. This cannot go back because this will kill, and you get one pawn. You cannot kill this. Understood that? So this is the only fried liver will attack will start only when your knight kills this pawn. Only then. Otherwise it will not. And everybody nowadays knows that this pawn development is not good. So everybody nowadays they play this. Very few people take the risk and they play this also, because this is a risky attack, very risky. Giving this, trying to give this, and then taking this attack is risky. Giving one bishop, if you don't remember correctly or somebody plays something different, then chances of losing black is more. So everybody does this only. This is the what you have to play. This is what you have to play. So with this, I am completing fried liver attack solution also, and attack at least 10 moves, because see, you learning never stops. Fried liver attack can be continued for 20 to 25 moves also. If we go by book, that means what we have to do is that we have to see the games which grandmasters has played with each other, and fried liver attack has happened in their game. So how they defended and how they played the game, continued the game, that is very interesting. Very interesting. So we are covering many things. So perhaps time has come to see how grandmasters have played. So next session, what I will be doing is that I will be loading a grandmaster game where there is a fried liver attack, and we will see how those grandmasters have played. Now, since you are familiar with all sorts of attacks in these ball variations, we will see where we are wrong or where they are right, or where they are wrong and where we are right. So please write it, Manisha, next time, fried liver attack, grandmasters game, actually. And that is perhaps the best way to learn what they play, how they think.
Sir, where can you find it?
I know ways of finding, because I have got plenty of books with me, chess books. Right from my college days, I still have books. So I have many games.
Sir, I have a book called Grandmaster versus Amateur, but I'm not understanding the coordinates in it.
Yeah. The rotation might be also different. So we will discuss. Yes, beta.
मोबाईल मध्ये चेस ग्रँड मास्टर डाउनलोड करू शकतो आपण.
नाही, हे एडिशन आता अवेलेबल होणं पण डिफिकल्ट आहे. हे जे एडिशन 9000 और 10000 हे मिळत नाही पटकन. अवेलेबल असेल तर मिळेल. म्हणजे मला ते कुठे मिळालं तेही तुम्हाला सांगतो. मला वाशीला एका स्टोर.
सर मला तर सापडलं.
या सापडलं तर घे. त्याची सीडी येते. त्याची
सीडी नाही, गेम आहे सर. गेम
त्याचा कम्प्लीट प्रोग्राम आहे. इट इज प्रोग्राम इज अराउंड 486 MB चा प्रोग्राम आहे. तो खूप मोठा प्रोग्राम आहे. Okay, so I am ending over here. I have got another session within 10 minutes. Okay.
Sir,
so, yeah. Any query, you please do it on WhatsApp. I will answer all your queries.
बरं, एक सांगायचं होतं.
Yes, Manisha.
ही मुलं आहे ना सारखी चॅटिंग करत असतात आणि त्याच्यामुळे फार डिस्टर्ब व्हायला होतं. So you please give a ban on this chatting.
Okay, 23 chats. Fine. Okay.
So this is very disturbing. Instead of playing, we have to just the chats are popping up, and then the attention is diverted, and the game is not understood. We miss one or two moves in that. So I please request you to stop these boys from chatting.
I think Shri Kirtan and mostly Shri Kirtan is there and Advait
And
is
Kavin is also there.
and Kavin, 3 people. So I will speak with Shri Kirtan's mom, no issues. So
Yeah, you talk to all these people, all these students' parents,
But-
and ban these things.
yeah,
I don't want any distraction in the game, please.
Yeah. I will send a message accordingly. No issues. You can also put it on the board on the group that such things are so
Fine.
let everybody read it.
Yes, I'll do that.
No issues. No issues. Everybody,
Because
please
these
follow the, please follow the protocol. We are all here to learn about chess and not to talk. You can always talk with each other by taking their personal number and you have a chat with them.
Sorry, the same thing. It is very disturbing. So I'm telling him to stop.
Yes. No, you don't reply to anybody. That's all. You
Okay,
don't have
sir.
to do
I
anything.
was telling him to stop.
Yeah, you have to
So-
don't reply, don't look at the chat. Then one who is, see, Hans is saying, please stop chatting. Hans is a good boy. And मैं disable कर देखता हूँ कि what is where the option is, and I will disable it. Finish.
Yeah.
So
okay,
disable
fine.
it.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sure. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, sir.
Bye, beta. Anushka has given good answers today. Good. Tejas, comfortable? Good.
Thank you,
Very
sir.
good. Arav Dashmana?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Were you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
First class. Very good. Chalo, bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Yeah.
Bye, sir. Sir.
Next time, Grandmaster's game. First class.